This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Lucki Gemini type beat. We'll dive into the core elements that define this unique sound. First, establish a slow, laid-back tempo, usually around 120 to 140 beats per minute. Next, select dark, melancholic samples or craft atmospheric synth melodies. Remember, the goal is a lo-fi, hazy vibe, so embrace subtle imperfections and warmth in your sound design. Now, let's talk about the drums, a crucial component. Program simple, repetitive drum patterns, often using classic 8088s and muted percussion. The 8088s should be prominent and heavy. Consider adding distortion or saturation for a gritty, impactful low end. Keep your hi-hats sparse and sometimes slightly off-grid to contribute to that signature relaxed, hazy atmosphere. Less is often more here. For the melodic core, sampling is key. Seek out obscure samples from old soul, R&B, or even ambient tracks to find unique textures. Once you have your sample, pitch it down and chop it, then loop it to create a hypnotic, melancholic foundation. You can also layer simple, dark synth melodies or pads to complement the main sample, adding depth without overcrowding the mix. Think hazy and atmospheric. Finally, let's refine the vibe with mixing and effects. Apply generous amounts of reverb and delay to create a spacious, ethereal soundscape, giving everything a dreamy quality. Utilize low-pass filters to muffle certain sounds, achieving that signature underwater or hazy effect. Don't shy away from subtle distortion or saturation on various elements. It adds grit and character, bringing the entire beat together for that authentic Lucki Gemini sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.